Yo guys, welcome back to another video.
Hello.
Today, I'm playing group tag with my cousin.
I just got it. Woo!
He got it like 2 days ago or something. He hasn't got a YouTube channel yet, but he's going to get one.
It's gonna be called Flair VR, and I'm gonna be getting a flare to catch it.
Maybe.
So, anyways, enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
You heard the man. Also, by the way, when he has a channel and he has his like official thing, I will give him a shout out. So yeah, and let's do the video. We're doing a video.
Bye bye. Crazy Dave with that.
Okay, guys, we're in public.
You look like crazy Dave. Come here.
As well, man.
Oh yeah,
Come here, Bubbles.
He really does. He really does. What from that Plants vs Zombies game?
Oh, I got him.
Yes, dude. Ooh. I do not want to be it.
Watch me. That's so embarrassing.
Okay.
Red monkey. Suck my ear.
Ooh, watch out, love monkey.
He's gone. He's going. Ow, I hit my foot on a white.
Juked.
Run, Blue, run.
Oh
no, you got tagged.
Juked.
Guys, one monkey. I got caught.
No, Dad. Why do I always sort of think he's new too? I already like teached him like yesterday. Oh, tree camper. Tree camper. Tree camper.
On the tree.
Tree camper.
You're branching like a pro bro. Hurry us.
Tree camper. Yo.
Oh, I got stuck on the tree. I hit the tree.
Because he's a tree camper. Oh no.
What the hell? I had 8 hacks. Oh. I can count right now. That's your advantage. Height. 3, 6, 9. No, I didn't start from the beginning. Red, I don't want to do it. 6, 9, 12, 15. I have 14. Turn around and you won't be hurt. What? I have 14 hacks.
Easy.
Wait, what? There's two.
Yeah, I'm tagged.
I think the person left with time. Okay. Yeah, there's someone up here. How cat works?
No one's in Timber, but
Anyway, someone was in treehouse. I worried all these monkeys are. Hey. Okay, now I have to turn my other controller back on because I'm breaking the rules because it's getting hot. But where are the casual monkeys? No, wait. Doink. Rocky bitch. Okay, my hand should be appearing any second now. Hippity hoppity hoop, diggity daggity boo.
yo, Flavia.
To where my actual hand is.
Yo, we're gonna go into a different map now.